In this tutorial, I'll show you how to group pages in a Notion database and quickly create toggle blocks to keep your workspace organized. Let's get started. Open the database you want to organize. Click Group at the top of the database and choose a property such as Status, Category, Tags or Assignee. Notion will automatically organize your pages into groups based on the property you select. If you update a page's property later, Notion will automatically move it to the correct group, helping you keep everything organized without extra work. To hide long sections of information on a page, create a toggle by typing toggle and selecting toggle list. You can then drag text, images, checklists, or other blocks inside the toggle to keep your page clean and easy to navigate. For even faster editing, type greater than followed by a space at the beginning of a new line to create a toggle list using Notion's Markdown shortcut. Using group databases and toggle blocks together makes it much easier to organize projects, notes, and other information in your workspace. That's how to group pages and use the toggle shortcut in Notion. Thanks for watching.